In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host images from Google Drive in 3 easy steps. This is a straightforward process, perfect for anyone who wants to share their images directly from Google Drive without needing a separate hosting platform. Let's dive right into it. First, open your Google Drive and locate the image you want to share. It's essential to ensure that your image is already uploaded to your Google Drive account, because that's where we'll be working from. If you haven't uploaded it yet, you can easily drag and drop your image file into Google Drive's interface. Once your image is uploaded, the next thing you need to do is right-click on the image file and select the Share option. Here, you'll be greeted by the Google Drive sharing settings. This is where you can control who has access to the image. You'll need to change the sharing settings so that anyone on the internet with the link can view the file. This change is crucial as it allows your image to be accessed by anyone without needing special permissions. Click on Get Link, and a URL will be generated for your file. Copy this link as we'll be using it in the next step. Now that you have the shareable link, we need to make a small modification to it. Paste the copied URL into any text editor. You'll notice that it includes a part that says View USP Sharing. This part of the URL identifies it as a viewing link. To properly host the image, you need to change this part of the link. Remove View USP Sharing from the URL and replace it with UC Export View. Doing this transforms the URL into a direct link to your image hosted from Google Drive. Finally, use this newly formatted URL to embed or share your image as you would with an image hosted on a traditional hosting platform. This direct link can be integrated into websites or shared in your digital projects, making your image accessible wherever you need it. And there you have it, a simple 3-step process to make your images publicly accessible directly from your Google Drive. Remember, this method saves you time and allows for more flexibility with image hosting, especially if you frequently use Google Drive for storage. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Don't forget to check out our channel for more tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.